Are you making some noise? Are you smiling and making noise? What does that mean?
Keep going, babykins. Keep going.
What kind of noises is baby making today? We think your cooing is very clever. Are you liking being outside? Did you play on the swings and the slide? Oh, yes you did. Yes you did. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.